What's up? People who are familiar with the ways of Thailand have a specific saying, which is, "This is Thailand." So, this being Thailand, we're having fun. Yesterday, I made up these badass brush guards from 3/8 aluminium. And yeah, they're pretty beefy. I'm hoping they won't get bent up easy. But of course, I've got the joy of trying to attach them to the end of the handlebars. Now, the original fitting kit from the plastic Chinese versions is absolute junk. I had to go in the bin. So now we're going to find something else. And this being Thailand, you're going to have to invent something. So I've been down the hardware store and bought some of these expanding bolts. As you screw the screw in, they get more fatter and stick in the hole. Now the only problem with those bad boys is they don't fit in the hole. But the screw does fit in the fitting, albeit, of course, that screw's too short, but it's the longest I can find, and it's metric thread, and that in there is BSP or Whitworth or something, because it's Thailand. That's a universal thread, actually. Anyway, I went to a different hardware store and I came across these bad boys here, which look great because they're metal and they expand into the hole. The only problem being is they've got this tapered slug inside them, which has to have a screw forced down in there in order to activate them. And guess what? Yep, it's BSP. We don't have any BSP taper-headed screws. So I went back to said hardware, different hardware store again, actually, the first one I went in, and I got the next size smaller ones, which I discounted first time round. Because they're pretty marginal on how far they'll expand, and B, because they've got a tiny little hole that I got no hope of getting the screw in, unless I take them over to the bench over there and have a tamper. So we have managed to drill out the threaded side and tap a thread into the blank side. Well. So what we got to do now is put these in the hole. Let's just expand them out. Come on, get keen, expand. Yep, that has got a grip. So I'll get a grip now. Now I've got to drill and countersink the end of these. And then we might have some bulletproof brush guards. And there's only one way we're going to find that out, but I'm quite a way off finishing the bike yet. So if you follow me for more crazy ideas, we might see how far we get. Breakfast time now, so later.